all, welcome to my channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Mods, and today guys we are going to be continuing with our campervan build. So we are going to do issue 99 of Build a Volkswagen Campervan, and today we're going to be finishing off the rear door for the campervan. Like I said in the previous issue, I don't know when we're going to be installing this, because to be perfectly honest with you, I can't see that for a long time. Now issue 100, there's nothing to do in it. There's no actual any build at all. We're being a bit robbed on that one, unfortunately, but it is what it is at the end of the day. But yeah, I don't know when we're going to be installing this rear door, so this should be very interesting, but it'd be nice to finish it off, and then yeah, we can continue on to other things on the campervan. So let's get started with today's build. So with all that said, let's get modelling. Okay guys, stage 99, we are working on the rear hatch assembly completion. So rear door assembly completion. So we're going to need our rear door here. Now we've got this piece here. Now this, if you notice, is this bit here is thicker than this piece here. This piece down here also has like a little notch taken out. Now we want that to be facing upwards when we put this onto here. And then we need to secure that in with a BP03 screw. So let's put that into place. Okay. Okay. And what it's asking us to make sure that the strut it can move and rotate properly, which it can. I'm just going to see if that goes down a little bit more. I've got a couple of more turns on that one, so that's kind of tighten that up again quite nicely. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is we've got our glass for the back window. So this is just going to slot into place, so we should just put it in there like that, and then push it down into place just like that. Right, so when we've done that, the last thing we need to do is we've got these bars that are going to go on here, and they're just going to go into the holes that are just on here. Now there is a different size to the holes, so we've got smaller holes and we've got larger holes. So obviously the smaller ones go on the small side and the larger ones go on the larger side, if you can work out which ones they are. If it doesn't look like it's fitting, swap it around and see if that works. Right, there's no way that's going to go on like that, so it's got to be around this way. And these just push in. You really do have to give it some push there. Use my, no, I can't really use my desk to make sure that goes all the way in. Okay, so that's in, and then we've just got another one above it to put in. So small holes, large holes. I'll tell you one thing, they are definitely a push fit connection. They're not going out anywhere, and that's it. That's all there is to do in this issue. They do curve a bit with the curve of the back door, I've got to admit that, but yeah, that was nice and simple. Nothing much on that one. So yeah, now our rear door is finished. Just how long is it going to be until we actually put this on the camper? But that is stage 99 complete. Well guys, that's it for issue 99 of the campervan. Thank you for tuning in. That was quite nice to do actually. Them bars that went across the window, they were very difficult to put in. They were not easy whatsoever, but it's done now, and that's the main thing. And putting in the rear window, that was very satisfying as well. So I'm glad we've done all that in this issue. Now the next issue, issue 100, there is not a lot to do in this at all. To tell you the truth, it is no build at all. So yeah, I'll try and make the video as long as I can for that one, but it is what it is at the end of the day. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, please can you give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and you'll be notified of any future videos. But as for always, stay safe and bye for now.